Hey, what's going on, guys? Mike back in the den. How's everyone doing this afternoon? Actually just got home from work, and I figured I would share a mail call with you guys of something that I recently ordered from the Razor Company, a collaboration between MacDuffs Soap Company and the Razor Company. It's American Vintage. I heard Carlos mention it on the last TRC Live last Saturday, and the scent notes that were described were definitely right up my alley. Sent some quick notes to Jason as well as Sean, and from what Jason had shared with me, every time that this set gets released and they restock it, it sells out very quickly. So I have that here. Package just arrived. I've been eagerly awaiting this since, when did I order this? I think I ordered on Sunday. So it's now here, and yeah, so I'm just going to share my initial impressions of this release. This was a collaboration with the Razor Company and MacDuffs Soap Company. And there you go. We have American Vintage. Absolutely love that label, by the way. Label is definitely really cool. Got the Razor Company logo at the top. Before I go open this up, let me just go ahead and pull out the matching splash, because that's how I roll. I buy the matching splash with everything. I had a friend of mine that, you know who you are, that used to only buy soaps. I didn't understand. It's not a complete shave, in my opinion. And this friend has since changed his approach on ordering wet shaving products, and now always incorporates splash. He can't even shave anymore. I'm not going to mention names, but he can't even shave anymore if there's no splash. So we are now working with each other and sending each other splash samples if we do end up picking a set, because we can. So, and by the way, if you guys are interested, these sample vials, it's a 10 milliliter sample bottle that you can use, and it has the built-in restrictor. They're on Amazon for, I think they're $11, $11.99 for 10 of these. So if any of you that share samples with each other rather than just sending the sample, and you can now buy some splash bottles and share with each other, so you know, you guys can experience it. I do that with a friend of mine, and it works out quite well. So just a quick recommendation there. So just to show you real quick, I don't know if I show you real quick. So these are the, I think this is what, a 1.5 ounce glass sample jar. And it's got a top here, as you guys can see here. These work out really well, and highly recommend them. So if you guys are interested, I'll put the link in the description. I picked up a bunch of those, and also the samples, so I can share with people. All right, so let's not waste any more time. 3 minutes in. American Vintage. I love the scent notes of this. By the way, before I open it up, so mahogany, rosewood, tobacco leaf, and leather. Love tobacco and leather. And mahogany, I wouldn't mind as well. So let's see what this smells like. There's the pour before I go ahead and smell. Really nice pour. Oh, I can smell it already. It smells amazing. Oh my God. Definitely get the tobacco leaf. The leather really pops in this. And then mahogany really balances out really nice. I'm not sure what rosewood smells like. I'm going to look that up. I think I've had that in a few other soaps, but man, that leather in this with the mahogany. Oh, now I know why this sells out all the time. Well, I can't wait to shave with this. That smells amazing. Really great job, Sean, and whether you and Jason worked together on this collab, which I'm sure you guys did as far as scent notes, you guys, in my opinion, at first experience, knocked it out of the park. Go ahead and shake up the splash. And by the way, guys, for those of you that may not, I've talked to a friend of mine the other day that never tried MacDuffs Soap Company. If you've never tried MacDuffs Soap Company, I highly recommend you do. Great artisan, really makes some great products. I know Sean uses a lot of organic ingredients. His aftershave splashes, as you guys can see, is very like milky, extremely moisturizing. It's probably one of the best highly moisturized splashes out there that I've used. It's one of the best, in my opinion. Gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand here. Let that dry. Oh, man. Brett, I know you ordered this. You're gonna love it. I think you ordered it yesterday. Wow, that is good. I'm not even at the dry down at this point, but oh man, this is good. It's probably one of the, I don't know if I can put that out there just yet, but this may be one of the best leather tobacco fragrances, shave soap sets that I have in the den that I think I like the most. Oh man, this is killer. Carlos, you were not wrong. You've never steered me or anyone, I think, in the community in the wrong direction. Definitely a banger for sure. If you like tobacco, you like leather, and if you like the scent of mahogany, wow, this balances out so well. All right, now I know what I'm gonna be shaving with this weekend. All right, guys, just a quick video, quick unboxing. I also received a package from Yaki, from Grace yesterday, with some razors and some brushes that I will share with you guys and do a review on soon, so be on the lookout for that. So I got 3 of the most recent releases from Yaki, some of the newer razors that they recently introduced that you guys may have seen on social media. So I want to spend some time with them, shave with them a few times for sharing my thoughts and review, but be on the lookout for that. So that's it, guys. You guys enjoy. Hey, sorry, guys. Real quick, I got cut off because a call was coming in as I was recording, because I do use my phone for these videos. So thank you for tuning in. Really look out for, I'm going to do a video. I'll use probably when I do the shaves with the new Yaki razors, I may incorporate American vintage in, but this is a really phenomenal banger for sure. All right, guys, have a good one. I will see you guys soon. Take care now. Bye-bye.